Yo, what's up guys? Kiko Suarez here. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're unboxing something I'm really excited about. If you guys didn't know, I'm a big fan of two things. One, headphones. If you give me some good noise cancellation, some good quality music, some bass, a way for me to relax, work out, and focus on things, I'm gonna like your product. And two, let me actually just show you here. I'm a big fan of this man right here, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. He is one of my favorite actors, one of my favorite people overall in the world, actually. He's a really good motivation and passion and role model for people, and I think that's something that most people should be copying. So that's why he is one of my favorite people. But also, I'm really excited to say that one of my favorite brands, JBL, and Under Armour, they all came together with Dwayne Johnson to create this. The Under Armour Dwayne Johnson Sport Wireless Train Project Rock Edition. So, a little backstory. The Rock has had a deal with, what's their name? Under Armour for like the past 3 years to be a sponsor athlete. And he gets his own line every year. The shoes that I show you over there, I actually did an unboxing about a year ago. That was his second generation shoe. They sold out in 10 minutes. I'm really mad at the idea that I didn't get the first generation. That's arguably the best looking ones. Since then, he's been putting out more workout shoes instead of like some like drastically good heavyweight shoes. Which, even though those are not heavyweight, I really like the style of them. The new ones, they're kind of so. I didn't buy them. I still wanted to buy them just to have them, but they were expensive, and if I wasn't going to use the shoe, I wasn't going to buy it. But I know for a fact these headphones are going to be killer. They're supposed to be really heavy duty, and they're meant to be for your workout. If I show you the back right here, it really just says a little bit of things of the headphone itself, but training proof. Under Armour grip material, so it's gonna be a material that allows you to grip it in a better sense. Talk through technology, so it's gonna have a microphone. Yeah, it's gonna have a microphone in it. Super vent removal. Ooh, okay, it has some cushions in it that I haven't been able to check out yet. Like, this is the first time I opened in this thing. I haven't, like, look, the ceiling was just removed right now. I literally just opened it, and 16-hour battery. That's really good. It says that in 1 hour workout time on just 5 minutes of charge. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this for the first time. Did I do it? Oh, it has another sticker here. Give me 1 second, boys. 1 second. But how's everyone doing today? Hopefully everyone's having a fantastic day. If you are, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know if you guys got any good deals from Black Friday. I know I got some buys, nothing crazy. I work at Best Buy, so you guys know that my time was limited this week. That's why this is the first video since for the first time in a week, since I've been so busy. But yeah, let's go. So first thing that jumps off the back, look at this bag. Let me put this over here. Look at this, dude. Straight up, the Dwayne Johnson logo. It's a really heavy-duty bag. It has, like, this really hard, heavy-duty pin to, like, hang it. Blood, sweat, respect, of course. That's the logo, and that's the slang that Dwayne Johnson has always been going by. So let's open this bad boy for the very first time. Let's see. You're going to see it for the first time, and I'm just going to look at the camera. Ooh! Alright, let's see. So first off, we have the auxiliary cord. So Dwayne Johnson and JBL is still believing on the future for it. We got a charger, a micro USB right here, and I just dropped the headphones. Micro USB cable to charge it, I'm assuming. Then what do we have here? I'm assuming a bunch of paperwork. Yeah, a bunch of paperwork. What's the little thing right here? And just the drying stuff. But this is the heavy duty, and straight away, first off the bat, just so good quality, dude. Such a good quality. Look, the logo right there, Bill, you can tell right here that it's a really good material. It feels heavy. It feels really heavy, like blood, sweat, respect. Let me try it on real quick. Which one's left? Also, it doesn't twist. That's something that I can already tell. It's not something like all other headphones that they actually like you can turn around to fit your head. This is gonna be really tight. I can already tell. Can you? Okay, you can. Let me expand this. Oh wow, they're really heavy. I can already tell the caps or whatever these things are called, the cups, they're really steady, so they're gonna be really good to absorbing sweat. I don't know. It said that you could remove. Oh, okay, so you can remove them like that, and then after that you just pop it back in to be able to, like, I'm assuming washing them and stuff like that, because this is meant to be a workout headphone, so I wouldn't be surprised if they made it extremely easy for you to like just use it and work out on it and don't have to worry about the way that the little cups will be in a month or so, as long as you wash them, which is probably in the instructions. The real quality test is gonna be in the volume real quick. So let me just go ahead and my computer. Let me just play some Spotify. And let me use, instead of the wireless feature, I'm just gonna go straight in with the audio jack since they gave it to us, and that way I can test it out real quick. Just because I would love to use my phone, but that would mean cutting the what's it called, the feed of the video, so that wouldn't make sense at all. Give me 1 second. I'm just trying to pop this up. Let's see. All right, the cables are right here. Assuming the tiny end goes into the headphone like always. There you go. Let's pop that in, and it's gonna put it in here. All right, and right is over here. And let me just play some I don't know, I just need a song really. Let me play Dax. Dear Eminem, come find me. Dr. Dre, come find me. Oh, there we go. Amazing, amazing. I can already tell. Dwayne Johnson did a fantastic job. I mean, JBL did a fantastic job, but Dwayne Johnson did. They picked really, really good. The quality on these headphones is amazing. Like, let me see. I'm gonna play this a little bit closer to the. I don't know if that makes justice to it. That is really good quality. They're comfortable. Of course, I'm gonna be working out with them in. Oh, it has some volume buttons right here, which is pretty cool. I'm just keeping inspecting them on it, but first impressions, really, really nice work. Really extremely nice work. The logo, the build, the feeling of it doesn't feel cheap. It feels like an actual workout headphone. I feel like this is the first time in my life that I feel that I have a workout headphone in my hands, not just a headphone that claims to be for a workout, but this was actually built for it. I'm really excited to have them. I'm really happy that I got them. If you guys got them too, let me know in the comment down below. I'm also gonna be checking for questions and reviews and anything like that in the comments, so I'll be sure to respond to them as quick as I can. But yeah, but besides that, guys, that's gonna be our unboxing of the Dwayne Johnson JBL Under Armour headphones. They're amazing. I'm gonna be working out with them, and then you're gonna find out more. But until then, it's been Kiko. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you're new here, drop a like, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.